But John, we knew these storms had potential. What's the latest on how strong they were last night?
Well, Dan, certainly for the middle of March, these tornadoes were unusually strong. The tornado that Tatiana surveyed and visited damaged at least 5 homes. And as she mentioned, a number of barns and outdoor buildings were also damaged, some of which had damage to roofs and other structural elements. That Hancock County tornado was rated as an EF1, which for mid-March is certainly out of the ordinary. Now, another twister confirmed by the Cleveland office of the National Weather Service. That one occurred south and east of Toledo and Crawford County. It started off near New Washington, moving to Plymouth Township, and that EF2 packed wind speeds of 120 miles an hour, again causing a trail of damage as well. Now, there are still a number of ongoing storm surveys, and we'll have more updates coming at the 4:30 half